This tutorial guides you through managing classrooms in the HEMSP Student Portal. You will learn how to create, configure, and manage classroom schedules effectively. Access classrooms in the SIS module. Click on the sub-module Classrooms. To add a classroom, click on the Add New button. Start by adding a name to the classroom. Associate the classroom with a campus. Then start adding the time slots. Select the weekdays where this classroom will be occupied and its schedule. Once complete, click on the Finish button to create the classroom. To view this classroom, you click on the box showing the time slots for this classroom. Click the Actions menu to access options for the classroom. You can edit or clone this classroom. You can add multiple lessons for this classroom. You can view the calendar for this classroom. You have successfully managed classrooms in the HEMSP Student Portal by creating and exploring the multiple actions that apply to classrooms.